Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys home screen layout setting. Guys, how can we change in our realme phone? Friends, you want to change guys your home screen layout, so guys how can you change it? In this video guys I will show you, friends. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel guys, and guys you are watching my video first time, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to change your home screen layout, then guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your home and lock screen setting. Friends, tap here. Then guys you can see your home screen layout. Guys, tap here to change. So as you can change guys your home screen layout from here guys in your realme phone guys. So you want to change with 3 multiply 6, and guys you can see 4 multiply 6. So I will check, tap here to change it. So your home screen layout will change in your realme phone like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to change home screen layout in a realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.